That's why the people who created the aircraft, they are very wise. The window small. Not a size person. This marriage, the window very small. Size to fly. Are you listening to me? Now, because you see, if you have ever flown, and that plane is in turbulence, higher, you need Holy Ghost to convince you that you are not going to die. I remember one time we were coming from UK. Daddy was in that plane. Which Holy Ghost name we not hear that day? Screaming, shouting, everybody, because this plane will just go down, like 6-story building at once. Your stomach will just go like this. People were screaming, everywhere was. But despite that turbulence, did anybody fly past the window? We still sit down. In fact, the pilot told us, buckle your seatbelt. Buckle. So when the turbulence of marriage happened, buckle that seatbelt. Keep it buckled down. Because you know that this turbulence will pass. Did we not land? We landed. And when we landed, everybody was clapping. Everybody. Excuse me. Sometimes in this journey of marriage, this turbulence can happen. Just buckle your seatbelt. Just tell yourself that quitting is not an option. In fact, there's no window to fly out of.